The 2025 Dacia Docker camper van continues to build on the brand's reputation for affordability and practicality, offering a budget-friendly solution for outdoor enthusiasts who want a simple yet functional mobile home. The vehicle retains its compact footprint, making it easy to drive and park, especially in urban environments or narrow country roads. The camper conversion focuses on minimalism, making it ideal for solo travelers or couples who value practicality over luxury. The 2025 model showcases updated interior fittings with improved materials, giving a more refined touch while keeping the weight and costs down. There's a noticeable improvement in the build quality compared to earlier versions. Inside, the Docker camper includes a compact sleeping area that folds into a seating arrangement. The mattress is relatively firm but surprisingly comfortable for a vehicle of this size. It's easy to convert the sleeping area back into a dinette, thanks to the intuitive design of the folding mechanism. Storage solutions are well thought out, with compartments under the bed and additional cubbies integrated into the walls. There's also space in the back for outdoor gear or a small fridge. For longer trips, the modular nature of the design allows for some personalization, depending on the conversion specialist used. A small kitchenette is fitted with a basic gas burner and sink, supported by a compact water tank. While it's not built for gourmet cooking, it's more than adequate for simple meals. Some aftermarket conversions offer solar panels and battery systems for improved off-grid performance, though these may add to the cost. The driving experience is pleasant enough for a van in this category. It's based on the tried-and-true Renault Kangoo platform, offering decent handling and a smooth ride. The 2025 model comes with updated engine options that are more fuel-efficient and compliant with the latest emissions regulations. Fuel economy is one of the Docker camper's strongest suits. Even with the added weight of the camper fittings, it maintains excellent mileage, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious travelers who plan to cover long distances. The diesel variant, in particular, is well suited for long-haul adventures. Onboard technology remains basic but functional. There's a touchscreen infotainment system available in higher trims, as well as Bluetooth connectivity and optional navigation. USB ports and 12-volt sockets are conveniently located for device charging and accessory use. Climate control is basic, with manual air conditioning and optional auxiliary heating in camper conversions. Insulation is modest but enough to manage temperate climates. For those planning winter travel, additional thermal upgrades may be required. Safety features include ABS, electronic stability control, and a reinforced body structure. Some variants now include lane departure warnings and parking sensors. While it doesn't offer the advanced driver assistance systems found in premium campers, it does meet essential safety expectations. Customization is a key strength of the Docker camper van. Buyers can choose from a range of camper conversion kits and accessories, depending on their budget and travel needs. This modular approach ensures flexibility without locking users into one particular layout or style. The vehicle's dimensions make it versatile for both city and countryside use. Despite its compactness, it manages to feel roomy inside due to smart layout planning. Large windows and skylights, if included, help bring in natural light, creating a more open and airy feeling. Off-grid capability is decent, though dependent on the options chosen during conversion. A few setups include pop-up roofs or roof tents, which expand sleeping capacity and standing room. These additions make it more viable for extended camping without sacrificing mobility. Maintenance costs are relatively low, thanks to the Docker's simple mechanics and widespread parts availability. Regular servicing is affordable, and many mechanical components are shared with other Renault Dacia models, making repairs easier and cheaper in most regions. In summary, the 2025 Dacia Docker camper van is a practical, affordable option for those looking to get into van life without a huge financial commitment. It's not the most luxurious or high-tech camper on the market, but its value, efficiency, and versatility make